Here's the country Aire that I got from William, and it's a originally a 2-speed fan, but the switch is broken, so it's just wired to high. It needs oil badly. It'll get up to speed faster. There, it's up to speed. It's pretty powerful. There's the amp draw. I think it's rated for 1.2 amps. Let me see. I don't remember. I'll have to look in there. Maybe. Let me see. Yeah, 1.3 amps. Okay. Okay, so it's basically drawing close to that with a little oil. See how it's supposed to be a 2-speed? It doesn't even click in. They're all broken. Oh. You can tell. Look, I could just pull it out all the way. So it's definitely broken. It is off. Oh, shoot. Slow spin down.